We welcome you at the DARPA Lift Challenge here in Dayton, Ohio, as we get ready for another day of competition.
We did a lot of tuning last night. We stayed up a little bit.
We'll give it all we got.
And the flight window has opened officially here on day number 6. Here we go. We are so happy to see another drone going up.
The bird was flying really well, super stable.
Feeling good, haven't slept at all. Just hope to finish.
Hugely impressed with the competition itself and the competitors, just the level of innovation that's happening in the garages and on the course.
For the next run, we want to do one more last test and then go full all in.
So we're flying right now. As you can see in the background, it's up in the air. We're doing, well, you win some, you lose most.
As a competitor, obviously you want to win, but it never feels good to see anybody go into the ground like that.
We have had crashes, but they've all been safe.
This is probably the end of the road for us on this event. You might see us again.
We're going to come back again tomorrow. We hope we have enough parts. That's the plan. But we feel good. We tried.
We're here to complete the mission, so look out. Thank you.